I really don't know why always like this only happens to me. From past 1 month, I am not recording any content to YouTube or Instagram. Due to some issues and due to my college works, I can't record the videos. To record my videos, to make much more better of my videos, I have ordered a black screen. On September 1st, I haven't ordered it. They given the delivery date of September 4th, but I couldn't receive it. I returned it. And after that, the same day, I have re-again ordered that. Today, I have received the order. So, if everything was good, this video is my second unboxing experience of this. This could be second unboxing video of mine. But unfortunately, it doesn't happen. Like this, it was given. It was a damage of black screen. So now I am replacing it. So that's not matter. So whatever I do, I think everything is stopping me. Whenever I do a thing,